What's up, viewers? In today's video, we will be teaching you how to get started in Forex trading and also start trading and making money in Forex trading in 10 minutes. First thing first, if you want to get started in Forex trading, number one thing that you need is the trading tools. Just like any other job out there, you need working material before you get started. In trading, you need to download MT4 or MT5 and TradingView. You use TradingView to analyze the market, and you need MT4 or MT5 to place your trades. The second thing that you need is a broker. The broker is what gives you access to the market. I have the link in the description box for you to sign up with the best broker that I use. If you click the link, it will take you to a place like this, and all you need is to just sign up. And signing up is pretty simple. It won't take you less than 3 minutes, and you are done. After sign-in, the next thing you should do is to get your account verified with a document, your proof of resident, and if you are finding it difficult verifying your account, you can contact us on Instagram or Telegram if you need our assistance. The link to the Telegram channel is in the description box. Once you're done verifying your account, go to My Account and you will see Real, Demo, Archived, and Open New Account. Click on Real to create a Real account, and on the Real, you click on Open New Account and you will see this, an option to select the type of account you want to create. You can take your time to read them because all these accounts have their terms and conditions. But as a beginner, I will suggest you open a standard account, click on the standard, and then click Continue. You will see Demo and Real. Make sure you click Real, choose a leverage of 1, 2000, and select your account currency type. Account nickname. Put down any nickname of your choice, create a password, and then click Create. Your account has been created, you can see. It says funded your account to start trading. At this point, you need to fund your account. How then do you fund your account? You come to deposit and you see different options for deposit. You can use your local bank transfer, bank card, Bitcoin, Skrill, USDT, and so on. Now we have deposited 16 USD on our account for flipping purposes. Now you have to transfer the money from your main account into your trading account. Click this 3 dot and click Transfer Fund. You will see this. Click between your account because you already have the money in your XNES account. Click From to select the account you want to transfer it from. Click To Account to select the account you want to transfer it to. Type the amount you want to transfer to your trading account and click Continue and Confirm. See the money deposited in our account. Now click on the 3 dot Select Account Information. You will see all your account information. Copy your account server, and ours is XNES MT5. Real 27. Copy your MT5 login. You know your password already. Now take them to your MT5 to log in with this information. If you haven't downloaded your MT5, please do so now. After you finish downloading your MT5, open it and click on this setting icon below. Now click on New Account, in this space where they said Enter Company or Server Name. Put the server name there, and our server name is XNES MT5 Real 27. Before you finish typing it, you will see this XNES Technologies Ltd. Click on it, and you will see this. Click on the server to find your server name. Ours is XNES MT5 Real 27. Scroll down to search for it. This is it. Click on it. Now type in your login number. Enter your password. You can click on the Save Password button to activate it or let it be, then click on Done to login, and this is our account, and this is the balance. Click on Trade, and you will see your balance. Now you are ready to trade. If you don't have a basic knowledge of technical or fundamental analysis that will inform you to trade, no worries, Emolite Forex Academy got you. All you have to do is click on the link in the description box. It will take you to our Telegram or WhatsApp group or any of our social media pages to register and learn how to trade like a pro. Or you join our Telegram channel where we drop free signals every week. You can take advantage of it. When you come to the Telegram channel and we give a signal to buy or sell, let's say sell XAUUSD, come to your MT5 if the pair you want to trade is not here. Click on this area to add your pair. Now type the pair you want to trade here. Click on the plus button, and it will be added to those pair. The XUSD we added is at the bottom. Since we are not making use of these pairs above, we have to remove them. Click on this pen to remove them. Now mark the ones you don't need. Click delete. They have been deleted and you can now see the XUSD there. Now go back. If you want to place a trade, long hold on the pair you want to take the trade from. You will see this. Click on trade. Now put in your lot size in this area and your stop loss here. When you are done, now click sell. The trade has been activated and this is the running trade. You can also long hold on the running trade and you will see this. When you click on modify on this part, you can put your SL and TP in this area. When you are done, click on modify and it will be activated. Also, long hold on the running trade if you want to close the trade, and you will see this. Now click on close if only you are okay with the profit or loss you have. Click on this area to see the chart. This is how you become a trader. Now if you want to withdraw, go back to the brokerage platform and click withdraw, and then follow the process using the withdrawer options that are made available. So this brings us to the end of today's episode. Very easy and straightforward. Please click the link in the description box to join the Emo Light Forex trading community, and also do well to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you will be notified when the next episode drop. Thank you for